Good evening. For all Filipino nurses residing in Kuwait before 2021, all our documents are in Red Ribbon. But nowadays, the Kuwait government, they are not recognizing the Red Ribbon, and we need all our documents from high school to college to be apostel. So what are the steps to apostel all our documents? First, we need to go to our school where we attended our high school. We need to inform them that we need our diploma to be certified and also the Form 137 for CAV. So they will give us the certified true copy of our diploma and then the Form 137 and then the CAV endorsement letter to be sent to Department of Education. There is an appointment, so we need to set an appointment for the authentication of all our documents. For our nursing course, we need to go to our university or colleges where we attended our nursing. So together with your original copy of your diploma, they will make a certified true copy of diploma, and then we need to request for the TOR and also for the RLE. And you need to inform them also that for CAV, for the Commission on Higher Education, and they will tell you when to collect all those documents. And according to the staff in the registrar, my nursing school, no need for the appointment for the Commission on Higher Education. Right after the authentication, we need to take all our documents to the Department of Foreign Affairs to be apostel. That's the steps on how to apostel all our documents in order for us to renew our residency in Kuwait. Okay, thank you and good night.